Ever wonder how big editing channels like Fictic Edits, Heisty, and Slick7 are pulling millions of views with their ultra-crisp 4K clips? Stop guessing. You don't have to worry anymore, because today, I'm shattering their biggest secret. You can get all those top-tier clips 100% free on a website called 411 Scene Pack. Let me show you how it works. First, open Google or Chrome, search 411 Scene Pack, and tap the very first link. The second you land on the homepage, you'll find an absolute vault of raw, ultra-sharp movie scenes and sports footage. Now, let's say you want to make a football edit. Tap the search bar, type in FIFA World Cup 2026, and select the World Cup logo right below it. Look at the incredible variety here. You've got 4K Messi clips, 4K Ronaldo clips, and 4K Neymar clips, all ready to go. But what if you want a specific star player? Just type their name into the search bar, like Neymar. Pick the exact matchup you want, like Neymar versus Japan, and click on it. Once you click the match you want, here comes the important part, downloading. Scroll down the page and hit the download option. A quick 25-second countdown will start. Just wait those 25 seconds, tap download again, and then hit save to choose whether you want to save it in your Google Drive or files. After downloading, tap Open In, select CapCut, and then tap Import Footage. Simple, isn't it? Just like that, your pristine 4K footage will be right inside CapCut, ready for your next edit. Now go make those views skyrocket. Drop a like, hit subscribe, and let me know in the comments what edit you're making next. See you in the next one.